Hello friends, here's another problem. Problem number 19. Now this question you can also find this question in the description box below. A 12th payment annuity of rupees 10,000 will begin 8 years hence. Now what do you mean by 8 years hence? After 8 years. The first payment occurs at the end of 8 years. What is the PV, the present value of this annuity if the discount rate is 14%? So the first payment will occur only after 8 years. So for the first 8 years, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For the first 8 years, there is no payment. But at the end of 8 years, for the next 12 years, a 12 payment. So for the next 12 years from 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20th year, you will get a payment of rupees 10k, 10,000. All right. For the first 8 years, there's no payment. But after that, for the next 12 years, you will receive an annuity payment of 10,000 rupees. Now, how do you solve this problem? What is the present value? We have to find out the present value. Now, this problem can be solved in 2 steps. Step number 1. First thing is determine the value of this annuity a year before the first payment begins. That is 7 years from now. All right. So this value is equal to rupees 10,000 times PVIFA. Remember, it's an annuity problem, so there have to be a PVIFA. 14%, 12 years. That equals to rupees 10,000 into what is PVIFA 14%, 12 years. Let's look at the table. The PVIFA table. 14%, 12 years. 14%, where's 14%? There it is. Now look at that value that corresponds to 12%, to 12 years. 12 years. 14% is 5.660. 5.660. So 10k into 5.660 is equal to 56,600. All right. Now this is not the end of the problem. Now the second step is compute the present value of the amount obtained in step 1, and that is rupees 56,600 times PVIF, Remember, this is just one single amount. It is not an annuity. So therefore, you should not write PVIFA. You should write only present value interest factor. 14%, 7 years equal to 56,600 into PVIF. What is the, now you go to the PVIF table, go to 14%, 7 years. 14%, 7 years. So the value that corresponds to 14% in 7 years is 0.3996. 0.3996. How much is that? That is nothing but 22,617.36. So there you have it. That is the answer. All right. So you can solve this problem in 2 steps. Thank you.